Hello everyone, my name is Tanner, and today I will be telling you about the online music notation software, Flat.io. So the whole purpose of Flat.io is to be able to write music and hear back what you're writing. And also, you can share your work with the community. If you go up here in the Discover page, you can see all of these arrangements that people have made. And also, if you're looking for a specific song, you can come up here and search for one.
When you get started, it's actually pretty easy. So you'll want to go to the New Score tab and title your score. You have all of these instruments to choose from. They're in individual categories by their families. So there's brass, electronic instruments, free reeds, keyboards, pitch percussion, pluck strings, vocals, and woodwinds. You will notice that some of these say premium. I'm using the free version of Flat, and these come with a paid version. After you choose your instrument, you'll come to this page. Now, how you place notes is that you use your mouse and click where on the staff you want the note to be placed. It will play the note to you when it's placed. Now, how you change the notes and add extra things to your music is up here in the toolbars. There's the note function, next is articulation, next is the ornaments, there's dynamics that you can add, you can insert measures and the qualities of the measures like the clef, key signature, and time signatures, and then you can also add text to your score.
So what about if you just want to use your keyboard and not use your mouse? Well, it's very easy to navigate. To change what note you want to work on, you use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move around. Also, if you want to input a note, you hit the letter of the note name that you want on your keyboard. So let's say I want F. And when I hit F, it will show up. Also, if I want to add other markings to this note, I can just go over to the top and you can hover over these. And the little numbers or symbols next to the name is the keyboard shortcut that you want to hit in order to add that without going up and clicking it. If you want to use a MIDI instrument to help notate your song, you go up here to this little cable icon. When you click it, it'll send you to this to set up your MIDI device. I personally don't have a MIDI device, so I won't go through this, but this is where you would go if you want to set it up. So let's say you finished writing your song. Flat automatically saves your work when you're done. But when you want to save a picture or an audio file of your work, you come up here to the cloud icon, and here you can click which format you want to save an image or an audio clip. Flat can be compared to Sibelius, and really it is the cheaper option of the two. So if we go over to here to upgrade now, as you can see, I use the free version because I don't really use this that much, but if you were to be using it a lot, you would want to choose one of these subscriptions. For just a monthly subscription, it's $6.99. A yearly subscription is originally $49. But for students right now, it is $19. And also, if you just want to buy the whole thing just one time without having a subscription, it's $149. With these subscriptions, you get all of these free features that are in the free version, and also with the subscription you get unlimited scores, advanced export and printing, different layout styles, advanced notations, and custom instruments, advanced audio, and so on. When you think of Sibelius, these are their prices. Sibelius also has a free version, and you can only compose up to 4 instrument parts. With the normal Sibelius, it's $10 a month, and with scores up to 16 instrument parts. And there's Sibelius Ultimate, which is $20 a month. So another thing that I find really cool about Flat is that you can use it on different platforms. So when you go to the flat.io page, if you go down here, you can click install app, and that will install an app onto your computer. And Flat works on both Mac and PC. Also, a really cool thing with it is that Flat has an app for the iPhone. You can go to the App Store and download it, and it'll work as if you're using it on the website. Also, it works on your web app on your phones. This is both for Android and iPhone. But how you input the notes is on a little keyboard at the bottom. So what about when it comes to using this in the classroom? Well, Flat has an education part. This is at the bottom of the upgrade page. And here is the Flat for Education page. So it has a user cost of $1.50 per user. But this is just for customizing. If you go over here and you just want to buy a pack, it's $75, and you get a 1-year license for up to 50 users, and also has a free trial. You get all of these, and you can sync it to different education platforms. These are the separate education platforms that it works on. So in all, I find Flat to be really easy to use, and it compares really well to the more expensive versions. It's a good stepping stone for music notation, and it works well for me since I don't really use it a lot. But if you're a more professional composition, or you're into that more, then look around more, see what works for you. But Flat is a good starting point. Thanks for watching, and go check out Flat if you're interested.